I think Dare to Explore provides the kids an opportunity to extend on their reading over the holidays. Of course, that's a part of it. But it's a lot more than that, and it provides activities that are free, fun, engaging.
In the holidays, while you're having a break from school, you need to read, and so that when you get back in school, when you're reading, you can get a higher level.
Definite fun thing to do in the holidays, especially when you're like at home bored. It's something that you can do. Come down to the library. What I like best about Dare to Explore is meeting new people and making new friends.
Actually doing this program, it's helped me become a better person. It's helped me communicate with people more, helped me get involved in the community a lot more.
My name is Emily and I'm 6 years old. I meet some new friends and we eat, then we do like challenges and stuff and we eat a lot outside.
My favorite thing is completing activities in the book and getting stickers and stamps for them. I love coming to the library to, I guess, make new friends and learn some awesome things, some things that you don't even learn at school.
I come to the library every single day except for Sunday. I get to hang with my friends here. We have to do fun activities online and we have to read books, like my favorite, and we have to try and do those, answer those questions, and then once we answer those questions, then they stamp it, and then once we get up to 10, we get a big sticker at the back of our book, and that's my favorite thing because I like getting big stickers. Well, I like reading books because that's my favorite thing to do.
I grab a torch from my mum's room. I sneak into her room, I grab the torch and I put a sheet over myself and I grab my book and I read it.
When my mum tells me to get to sleep, I just keep on reading. Then when she comes, I hide it under the bed, even pretend I'm sleeping.
So it doesn't matter what culture you are from, Kia mai te whai, Dare to Explore is for you and your whānau.